Good morning and welcome back to the shop. This morning what I want to show you is how to empty the dust collector. A common thing that we've got to do if you've got a good dust collector in your shop, it collects everything, you got to empty it out and so forth. This Grizzly 2-can system has served me very, very well. Very, very happy with it for a lot of years. And I normally like to empty these bags when they're about 2/3 full. This one got away from me a little bit, so it's way overfilled. So let's take this all off and we just release these couplers on the side. Like that, and that opens up our can. Come on off of there, cooperation is mandatory. There we go, let's get the other side. There we go. Now I'm simply gonna pull this off of here. And there's probably going to be a bunch of spillage this morning because, like I said, I just wasn't paying attention as well as I should. And it overfilled, which complicates the cleaning and emptying process. But what I like to do is I get these big 45-gallon Contractor collection bags with site cleanup and all. Just put it down over the whole thing. Minimize that spill as much as I can. It sits down there. Simply grab it, turn it over, and empty it out. And I probably should have a dust mask on, but didn't happen this morning. And there we go. Our bag is all collected into this big bag, ready for disposal. Excuse me. What I'll do is I'll get my vacuum out and I'll vacuum up the rest of this. Then I'll take the other can and get that out too. But this one is full. It's the easiest, quickest way. Like I said, if I had emptied it when I should have, when it's about 2/3 filled, it makes it a whole lot easier to do and a whole lot less mess. So that's how we clean the dust collector out and get it ready for another day's production in the shop.